you so much for joining me today. I'm actually excited to join you.
Oh, thank you for
your
joining me.
morning ritual. So tell us, what are we doing today?
So today we're doing a very good, like tasty, delicious juice. It's very simple and it's super delicious.
And it's nice, healthy, great way to start your day, right?
It's amazing, yeah.
So let's start
Super
with
healthy.
this first. So we got some cool ingredients here. It all looks very nice, very green, a little bit of color.
We have some carrots.
This is for juicing, right?
This is only for juicing.
So tell me, why do you like juicing, first of all? Because I hear so many different things. I don't know, I like it, but I need more than just a juice in the morning, personally.
You should do it, like it will change.
But
it's
I like that it gives me
changer.
like energy, right?
It gives you a lot of energy. It's very good for your skin. So it's very healthy, gives you a lot of vitamins, and it's very
Antioxidants?
Yeah.
Does it help with your skin?
That's the secret to have a glowing skin.
Glowing
Just-
skin by
yes.
juicing.
Guys,
So-
just go for juicing.
We have very simple ingredients, some spinach, some green
very-
apples, kiwi. I love ginger.
Ginger is so good.
It gives it a little kick.
Yeah.
Carrots and celery and
We have
some blueberries. So all of these are not very high in sugar. I see that a lot of the stuff that you picked doesn't have a lot. Maybe kiwi might have the most, but
So it's very good for you.
Has a lot of vitamin C.
And a lot of fiber too.
Yeah,
like-
okay, so it's good.
That's
Easy
it.
breezy. Should
Very
we start
easy.
juicing? You guys ready? I'm ready. I want to
so
juice.
ready.
Teamwork. I cut, she juices.
Oh my god, it's just beautiful! I'm so ready to drink this. Are you?
I'm ready.
Okay.
So we put green apples, we put ginger, we put celery, we put some carrots, spinach and blueberries.
Look how beautiful it looks.
I'm ready to drink.
Yes,
Hold on,
actually.
let me get this.
Get us some glasses.
Teamwork.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
So good. You know?
So good.
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
You guys should do it.
Now the fun part, the cleanup. That's your job.
Yeah.
I'm done.
This is not fun, but still, it's worth it.